his queen and he a king, and they coming with a banger. This is that forever love, but they started as strangers. Honey, she a mommy, baby. Saucy, he a soul boy. They been putting years in it, seen each other grow more. Started from the bottom in the trenches, that's where love came. Always been 100, you would never see they love change. You know if it ain't no Saucy, ain't no honey. That's just how it is. Saucy on the rise and honey by his side. I could see him now, the new Bonnie and Clyde. They gon' build that empire and they gon' take over. But all this shit a banger, I ain't gon' even hold ya.
Shock Posse!
Que lo que? What's up, Estimate Empire?
It's your boy Saucy.
And your girl, Honey. And we back with another banger. Before we jump into this video, you already know. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you turn the post notification bells on, because we do post on it at the end of every single video. You know you want to be shouted out, so make sure you comment down below when it is done. The camera battery is dying, so if it cuts off, I'm gonna get the other one. Make sure you follow us on all of our social media. We would really appreciate it if you did. Saucy's on the road to 10K on the gram. Honey is on the road to 100K on the gram. We would appreciate it if y'all could get us there. Also, that's it, right? Yeah, let's jump into today's video. We're jumping into today's video. 1, 2, 3. As y'all saw by the title and thumbnail, we are doing Handcuff for 24 hours challenge.
Whoa.
So we never did this challenge before. I don't think we ever did a challenge like this.
No.
No, we haven't. So me and Saucy are going to be handcuffed today for the whole entire day. No removing our handcuffs, no matter what.
Oh my god.
So I think we should get the honors done. Hold this for me.
It's gonna be fun.
Right. So you know we got the fur cuff.
Yeah, we got the fur ones. You feel me? Don't ask us why we got fur cuffs. You feel me? We get free nasty. Say that.
All right.
Oh wait, you already dressed kinda.
Huh?
I'm still not.
All right, put your shirt on, because there's no way you're gonna be able to put your shirt on if we're handcuffed together.
We can try.
Nah, but our food is gonna get cold.
You got food?
Yeah, I made waffles.
Oh my god. Alright.
Alright. Hold on, guys. Saucy gonna put his shirt on, and then we gonna come right back. Alright, y'all. Saucy's shirt is on. Can you handcuff yourself?
Yeah.
Okay.
Damn, I need to put lotion on.
Huh? I guess you're gonna have to do that while we handcuffed. Oh,
well,
you missed it.
You're gonna have to do a lot of stuff with me today.
No, you gotta do a lot of stuff with me today.
I ain't put lotion on yet. You wanna eat? Yeah, it's gonna be pretty fun. Oh, this too tight. Where the keys?
What? There's no keys.
What do you mean there's no keys?
There's no key. We're handcuffed.
Damn. I got my belt on.
Oh my god. Come on, hurry up so we could go get food.
Hold on.
Yeah, I don't know why we signed up for this. I'm already annoyed.
This is crazy. Yo.
2,000 years later.
Oh my god.
Damn, why you do my
How long does it take for Saucy to put on a belt?
When you have one hand.
And guys, the belt is on.
That's crazy. Set me up.
Now let's go get some food.
I don't want to go.
Come on! Ow, this hurts.
Yeah,
Come on.
You follow me.
Come on.
Yo, why we sign up for this? I'm not trying to do this.
Oh, let's go.
Oh, wait, you gotta slow down. Damn. You gotta go down the stairs. Whoa, wait.
Y'all know Saucy always.
Bro, you trying to kill me and shit, bro.
Listen, if you fall, that means I'm going down with you, and that's not happening today.
Alright, so we gotta watch our step.
All right, y'all, the camera died, but battery back up and running. Say hi to Sammy. Hey, guys. All right.
Good luck with what you're doing. Never, because I don't know.
All right, we need a plate. Get plates first.
Nah, you grab the plate.
No, you can.
Nah, you grab the plate. I won't hold the camera now.
Oh my god.
Ashley, you hold the camera.
No.
Pretty golden.
They look pretty golden. They're gonna take it out?
Yeah, sure.
Right. No. Yeah, put the glove on.
Alright, so you have to come down with me a little bit.
Please don't burn me.
I'm not.
Should I put a glove on too, just in case?
Nah, it'll be alright.
Okay.
I won't burn you. Yo, guys, do not try this at home. It's some crazy heat.
Ah! Don't fucking play.
Sorry,
All right. We did it. Okay. I got it. All right, let's put the camera down so we could grab our wops. Huh? You said now they're crunchy?
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna do a blueberry.
You wanna try another blueberry? Nice.
Just drop one on the floor. Guys, I like to rip up my waffles so I could just put my fork in them, put the syrup on, and bite them. So I'm about to rip my waffles up real quick, babe.
Hey.
I have to.
Oh my
Here,
god.
hold this.
Babe, you serious right now?
Yeah, I gotta make the waffles. What do we do when we have to pee?
Yo guys, look at this. We got that. Alright, this is how Honey get her waffles cut up. And she's not capping, she'll go out to eat and do this to her waffles.
It's better this way. It's easier. Here.
So this is what I like to do. I like to fill in all the squares like a kid, you know? And then you let it sit in there so all the syrup soaks in the waffle. You know what I'm saying?
Screaming.
Yeah. Oh, that's too much. But I do be ODing with my syrup. Like
He always does.
So this is my new way of doing it so I don't OD. See that blueberry right there? See how he's sitting in there?
I'm screaming. So we just gonna stand here and eat? It might be easier, no?
You think so?
Yeah, but I need a fork.
Okay, I need to take a bite.
Wait,
but
I want to take a bite.
I want to take a bite.
I also want to take
Okay,
a
but I
bite.
want to take a bite first.
Let me get a fork so I can take a bite.
So just take a bite. Grab one with your hands. Alright, hold on. Let me just get a bite.
Alright,
Just
go
one
ahead,
bite.
take a fucking bite. Okay, let me
Let's
get
go.
a fork. Okay.
I do not like this challenge.
Why?
Because I literally have to go everywhere you go.
Alright, yeah. I'm about to eat. All right, you guys, so we done eating. We about to try and get in the car because we have things to do right now. So we're gonna see how this works out. Who's driving?
You want to drive or you want me to drive?
No, you have to drive. If I drove, we would be driving like this.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, like we'd be crisscrossed in the thing like that, so I could drive with this on.
Yeah. You can drive with your left arm, though.
Huh? Hi, bear. Hi, royalty. Say hi to royalty. Hold on, babe. You're walking too fast.
Oh, you gotta walk my face.
Yeah, this is how we have to get in the car. So you go first. Go ahead.
There's a bee.
Where? Where was it?
I don't know. Watch it out.
For real? It was in my car? There was a bee in my car? You're lying.
Oh!
You okay? Your knee. Push your chair back. Let me put your settings on.
I hit my fucking leg on the...
Oh. Ooh. Don't be no problem.
It's not funny. Like, damn.
Oh, we are in, you guys.
I don't know why I sound up. It's like about to be a storm or something.
Honestly, like it's about to pour. Yo, this shirt is making my clothes so fuzzy.
That's where all that stuff is coming from.
Yeah, look. Ugh.
Yo, you said we're about to go detail this?
Yeah, I think we gotta vacuum my car anyway, guys. Gotta keep the Tessie clean. So, I think we should try and vacuum the car together. Bae,
What?
that's not how you be driving. You know you could drive one-handed.
You know I drive with my right hand though.
Oh my god.
When I drive with one hand.
Oh my god. I guess we driving together.
Yeah.
My arm is gonna start hurting.
You lucky I'm not driving stick, would have been like this. Every second.
We just pulled up to the gas station where they have vacuums for us. So let's go.
Time to get right. Oh!
What are you doing?
Come on, the damn handcuffs.
Who's climbing over?
I did it, so you gotta climb over.
Oh boy.
Oh my
This is some bull.
Yes, it is. It really is.
Hold
You ready?
this.
Look guys, this is really some bull. Look at this. Look at this. Just to get out the car.
Everybody gonna look at us like we're crazy.
Yeah, they are. Alright.
Okay. Which one? This one?
No, you gotta push the button on that side.
No, you want this hose?
Yeah. Oh. Wait, but
It's a bee!
it's not a bee.
What is that? A stink bug.
Yeah, let me close the door.
Close the door, hurry up. What? Oh my god, guys. That's not a stink bug. What kind of bug is that? Oh my god. Guys, how are we supposed to vacuum the car now? I guess we gotta start on the other side.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
You gonna get rid of the bug?
No.
A few moments later.
The bug is gone.
Alright, baby, come on.
Alright.
Teamwork.
Oh,
Nice.
it turned off.
See, if it wasn't
Go turn it back
handcuffed, I
on.
could have walked over there myself.
Oh my god, this is a lot, you guys. I do not like this.
This is a setup. Yeah, I don't have booty. Guys, this is crazy. This is really a setup, yo.
Oh my god, look at all this dog food.
A lot of boobies going on, boobies.
Yeah. Alright.
Oh.
Alright. Here. Okay. We got this. Whew.
How though? You got to get in the car.
I feel like...
You feel me?
Huh?
You got to move that slow. I made the chair.
Alright, I got this. Saucy vacuums.
I don't vacuum with my left hand. So this is not good.
This is the life, y'all. Y'all, we are finally almost done. Saucy's really been doing all the work. I'm kind of just here.
Yo, this shit is crazy.
We literally been here for like an hour now, so I'm hungry. It is time to get some food. Handcuff though.
Shows you a lot what you can't do with the other arm.
Oh, the arm, right. Well, for you, for me, my right arm is free, my dominant arm, so.
So guys, I think Honey set me up on this video.
Maybe. I think I wanted it to be easier for myself. I love you.
Wow, that's foul. That's foul. That's really foul. So now we're gonna do another take, round 2, where Honey's right hand is handcuffed.
So get this to 500 likes and we'll do a part 2 handcuffed. Maybe some activities y'all want to see us do handcuffed. It goes there. Some activities y'all want to see us do. Get this video to 500 likes and comment down below some things we should do while we handcuff. Please don't dirty my shit.
Show a little something. You did a real good job. Stop playing with us.
Bitch, you doing a good job.
Yeah.
You doing a good job. Yo, throw all these away.
Alright, here you go.
Don't dirty the new car.
Alright, hold on. Make sure I don't hit my leg. This is too much.
Wait. Okay. Ooh. Alright, yeah. We're gonna cut the camera back on when we get in food. I need the air. I'm sweating. It's hot. Okay, you guys. We got our food. This is so embarrassing. The way people look at us when we outside is like, what are they on?
They're extremely close.
We're not trying to get out the car. We pulling up to the mailbox.
Honey are probably racing right now.
Yeah, I really... Ah!
What's wrong with you?
Nothing.
Yo, can't be doing that while I'm driving.
You're just a little too close for comfort. Let's see if we could get the mailbox open. Saucy got long arms, yeah. What?
How am I supposed to see what's in there?
I could kind of see. There's like papers, some envelopes.
There's no keys in there?
I don't think I see any keys.
That's what I care about.
You gotta feel around.
I can't open the door because
You got too close?
damn. Oh, we got a lot.
Oh, wow.
Go.
Okay.
Alright, now it's not closing.
No?
Technical difficulties.
Oh, my phone's ringing.
Hold on, my arm.
I'm sorry. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Alright.
We good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why would you do that? It's
Whew, we did it, y'all.
Yes, we did. That was a lot.
That was.
Some big stretching.
This is definitely a crazy ass challenge. My horn.
Alright guys, we're back home and we're still handcuffed.
Still handcuffed. This is the worst.
Yeah, it is. It really
This
is
is
the
really
worst.
the worst.
Like being handcuffed to you all day.
It's embarrassing.
Really
People
embarrassing.
stare. You're a lot to carry around, bro.
No, you're a lot.
You're a lot.
You didn't even help me at the car wash.
I did a little
What,
bit.
Just a little bit?
You always vacuum my car for me though.
And you about to wash it, right?
No, you're gonna wash it. Turn the camera off though real quick. I gotta pee.
Well, that's your problem. You gotta pee. I need to drink some water. Come over here. I need to drink some water.
Guys, we'll be right back. I have to use the potty. Turn the camera off.
Why?
So I can go to the bathroom.
I'm about to drink some water first.
Hurry up.
If I don't want to turn the camera on.
I have to use the bathroom. Hurry up.
It's a challenge if I don't want to turn the camera on.
Hurry up.
Don't rush me. I'm drinking water. You know what that happens?
I have to pee.
Okay, hold on.
You want me to pee on you?
You gonna pee on yourself?
No, I'm gonna bend over and pee on you. All right, let's go.
Hold on. Put the bottle back.
Let's go.
Stop pulling. That shit hurt.
Come on. Dang.
This shit not a joke. Them shit's hurt.
Turn the camera on.
No.
Sorry, Leah.
Bro, you really got me sitting in this fucking bathroom with you, bro.
I can't get my body so open.
Ah! Damn! I'm not though.
Why do you have the camera still on? Turn it on!
What you mean?
Turn the camera
It's
on.
a challenge, but it's a challenge though. But we
I'm peeing.
But it's a challenge.
I'm peeing. Turn the
Stop!
Bye, guys.
You guys, she really got me in this bathroom with her right
Jonathan, turn the camera off.
Why?
I'm trying to wipe. Come on.
Alright, let me wipe for you.
No.
Let me use this hand. Come on, let me just give this hand.
You being so annoying. It's not funny. Turn the camera. We're about to be done with this challenge, you guys.
Why?
I'm about to give up.
I'm starting to actually enjoy
I need
this
to wash
challenge.
my hands.
So wash it. Why you got me spinning in circles? Damn. Wash your hands. Hey, don't wet the fur, because we might need the fur tonight.
You want to wash your hands too?
No, I don't need to. I didn't use the bath. Oh my god. Yo.
Let's wipe our hands.
Ah! Yo, these handcuffs hurt.
They do.
Like,
I'm really about to give up on this.
I ain't been in handcuffs in so long. Ah!
Well, yeah, this is the end of the video. I give up.
I think I do too.
I cannot.
Saucy won the challenge.
No, Saucy, Honey won the challenge.
You want to get out of the handcuffs.
Yeah, it's already getting late and stuff.
Alright then, so you lost.
No, I won.
I can still go.
No, I want, no. Okay, guys, get this video to 500 likes for part 2. We will do this again, and I don't know what we're gonna do, but whatever you guys want. We're gonna turn up for you guys. All right. Oh, where's the phone for the post notification shout out?
I don't have my phone on me.
All right, let me get my phone. Hold on, yeah.
All right.
So you guys, if you enjoyed this.
Oh, I'm sorry.
So you guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like, make sure you comment, and hit that subscribe button. Turn your bells on, because we do shout outs at the end of every single video.
Don't forget to tell a friend.
And you know that's what time it is, so this post notification shout out goes to Kiara Xaviera. She said this was most definitely a banger. I love y'all so much. If you didn't see our last video, go watch that now. Saucy, super wildin'. Really tried to say he got another girl pregnant and everything. I don't play that. Don't play with me.
I think I did.
Revenge, watch your back. Alright, y'all. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.
He is queen and he a king, and they coming with a banger. This is that forever love, but they started as strangers. Honey, she a mommy, baby. Saucy, he a soul boy. They been putting years in, they seen each other grow.